let's get to opening this RPG crate. So here we go. This is the March 2000 RPG crate. And of course, guys, hopefully you guys can see that. Let me move this table a bit and stand up a little bit for you and show you this. It is called Ice Fiend Arctic Survival Gear. I really like this. It's got a little, I don't know, some kind of, looks like a bug, like an ice bug or something. So I'm curious what that's all about. It says Razor, Sleet, and Cold Snap on the other side. So I'm curious what that's all about. But of course, this is the Mastery of the Hunt. And I really like how they put the shield or the, you know, like the plaque on there. I kind of really like they've been doing this with the shirts. I hope you guys saw my video RPG crate and just know that I'm really digging this style. I mean, I'm sure you guys will change it up next year, but I'm digging this style. So next we have our card, and this is Mastery of the Hunt Cold Snap. So that explains the Cold Snap here. This is the March 2020 Season 4, crate number 44. We'll come back to this, make sure we got everything, which we probably should. Next, it looks like we have our miniature from Reaper Bones, ReaperMinis.com, guys. And this says it's a Frost Demon. Okay, I don't know, that doesn't really look like a Frost Demon to me. I'm going to have to assemble this, guys, and I will put a picture. I'm going to try to do a 360 picture of this so you guys can see the whole thing this time. I mean, it kind of looks like the thing I got on my shirt, so I guess that is a Frost Devil. So next we have the little card for it, the little Adventure Initiative card. Next we have our Mastery of the Hunt recipe card. Maybe I'll put a picture up to it. But it looks like there's a little slice of lime there. This is called Cold Snap Soup. And all the ingredients on there. And then on the back there's a little adventure. I'll post the back of that on there too, if you guys want to see that. Okay, next we have, looks like 2 lore cards. And the first one I see here is Dungeon Lore one. This one is called Cold Snap. Complex Trap, Dangerous Threat. This is number 2, and that's what that looks like, and I will put a picture up so you guys can see it better. That is the back. So here it is, Cold Snap, Complex Trap, Dangerous Threat. A Cold Snap trap is the deadly creation of an Ice Fiend. So, okay, so the Ice Fiend basically made this trap. That's cool. There's some different activations for this trap. One's called Glacier Storm, and the other one's called Razor Sleet. So that's where the Razor Sleet comes from. Did it say Glacier Storm on here? No, it did not. But anyways, that's where that comes from. Looks like it'd be pretty interesting to throw on somebody. I don't know if I want to give away what the Glacier Trap or Glacier Storm and Razor Sleet is. So I will keep that to myself. So next we have our Ice Fiend, and that's the big old bug-looking thing, which now looks like a ice bug. And I'll put a close-up to that, guys, so you can see that. And he's got a couple cool attacks. It looks like he's got multi-attacks. He's got an Ice Spear, Claws, and Frozen Earth. So this guy looks like he could be a pretty big dude to be messing with. Yeah, hit point wise, yeah, I'm looking at that. Yeah, he got some hit points. And this is number 8 of the monster lore. Interesting. Okay, he's got some good XP too, man. So this is like the boss right there. So next we have our RPG crates, Mastery of the Hunt. We have Cold Snap. We have the Shallows. And there's nothing fancy on any of these on the back, guys. And the Frost Fortress. There's that. And this one has like probably a little bit of the inline of the fortress there. And I'm not sure who did the artwork to these on there. It does not say. I know they had a couple artists back in the day doing some of this stuff, so I'm not sure who's doing this time. I'm sure it's somewhere in this information. I'm not going to go digging for it, but whoever did it did a good job. So next we have our level 12 adventure 5th edition fantasy number 5, and these are brought to us by Goodman Games. It's always a $9.99 value. Into the Dragon's Meow, and I probably pronounced that wrong too. Just it sounds funny. Dragon's Meow, 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 meow. Whatever, guys. Anyways, I just thought you guys get a kick out of that. Let's see. We have a total of, looks like 18, maybe 20 pages in here. I saw some maps in the back. Try not to show you guys too much. But it's a level 12 adventure, so it's going to be a while before anybody touches this one if they're not high enough. There's a little bit of artwork. I might just take some snapshots and put them up for you guys if this doesn't look good on the computer. Hopefully it'll be okay. Let's see. Oh, that's interesting. Wow. Yeah, that is quite interesting. Looks like a Medusa, but it looks a little different. I don't know what that's supposed to be. Well, the snakes in the hair and everything else, it just looks different. I don't know. Maybe it's because I see that like little fire thing, but maybe that's just me. It's oh, okay. It's not a Medusa. It's a Dracus, a dragon Medusa. Interesting. Very interesting. No wonder this is level 12. Female half-green dragon Medusa. Awesome. Okay, just a little bit of artwork there, guys. There's some more. Let's see. Got some maps. Got some more. And that is it, guys. Okay, so let's see. We got the t-shirt, the monster lore, we got the dungeon lore, we got the initiative tracker, we got the miniature, we got the recipe card, we got the Mastery of the Hunt Cold Snap Adventures, and we got the book from Goodman Games. So we got it all. I'm liking this. It really stinks I had to wait 2 months, but it's not RPG Crate's fault. I understand that. A lot of shops and factories had to close down during this. Some of them are probably not even reopened. I'm sure it took them a little while to do this and everything else. I hope everybody's safe and everybody's healthy. But anyways, guys, I really like this one, and I'm going to give it an A. Oh! So that's it, guys. Until next time, and remember, ring that like button like a hunchback. Till next time, guys. So before we get to the box opening for the RPG Crate, I just got a few things I want to let you guys know. This is, 2 months behind, and it's because I just got the package today. And of course, it's probably because everything got slowed down with the whole COVID-19 thing going on and everything else. So you know how it is. Even Amazon, their 2-day delivery, out the window. Just letting you guys know that also, some of my videos will be a little bit off here and there. It is now springtime, and I am going to be starting a new channel soon, and that will be called Point Rock Adventures, and I will put a link down to it, but it'll probably be a little while before a video comes out, but just click that notification button so you can be notified. Yeah! But like I was saying, videos are going to be more of RPG Crates openings than of crafts. My crafting will probably get kind of postponed due to working with the new channel, and it's summertime now and I like to get outside and do stuff. I love to fish, I love to be out in nature, so anything working on anything with the foam and making any crafts is probably going to be delayed. It's not that I'm going to stop. I just got other things I want to do, and I'm one person that just can't keep on one project before he goes, squirrel, squirrel, where? It's just, that's the way it is. Sometimes I even have a hard time staying on one project before I'm like, ooh, I should do that. Ooh, I should do that. And that's kind of how that goes for me sometimes. I really have to focus on something, and sometimes it's really hard to do. I'm one of those guys where if I'm going to finish a project, it's like by the due date, by the deadline. I never really get anything done on time. That was the same thing when I was in school too. But anyways, guys, you don't want to hear any more of my BS.
Yeah, man, you can do it.
Look, you found my beautiful face.